Our next awardee has a distinguished career as a television and radio host, specializing in news and public affairs. Additionally, he enjoys significant popularity on YouTube and Facebook, boasting more than 1.7 million followers on social media. He has been the host of various popular TV programs, including Kuha All 2022 to present, Umagang Kay Ganda 2007 to 2020, Parang Partners 2018 to 2019, TNT Tapatan ni Tunying 2013, and serves as a radio lead anchor for Dos por Dos alongside Jerry Baha. Throughout his career, he has received numerous awards such as the Golden Screen Award in 2013 and 2014 for Outstanding Crime Investigative Program Host for Pinoy True Stories and XXX Exclusibong Expose. He also earned recognition at the PMPC Star Awards, winning Best Morning Show Host multiple times, 2008, 2019, and 2021. Best Male Newscaster in 2011 and 2012, and Public Affairs Program Host from 2016 to 2018. In 2019, he was honored with the 27th Golden Dove Award for Best Public Affairs Program for Tapatan ni Tunying. Beyond his career, he takes pride in his role as a husband and best friend to a wonderful lady, as well as being a devoted father to his lovely kids. He also holds the position of President and CEO at A. Taberna Foods Incorporated. Ladies and gentlemen, our awardee for Outstanding Broadcaster, Mr. Anthony Katunying T. Taberna Jr., broadcast journalist, radio commentator.
This Lady Justice Statuette and Certificate of Appreciation are given to our awardee in deep appreciation for the invaluable support and contribution made to the success of the Public Attorney's Office and the advancement of the interests of its clientele. Given on the occasion of the 5th National Convention of the Rank-and-File Employees of the Public Attorney's Office on October 9 to 11, 2023 at the Philippine International Convention Center, given this day of October in Pasay City, Philippines. Signed by Dr. Persido V. Rueda Acosta, DSD, Chief Public Attorney.
Our awardee will now deliver his message.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Gusto ko lang pong magpasalamat sa Public Attorney's Office, lalo na po kay Chief Persida Acosta. Hindi niyo po na itatanong, baka mukhang dalaga pa po si Chief no, kilala na po namin eh. Tagahanga po kami ni Chief. Mula po nung siya po ang naging tagapamuno ninyo sa Public Attorney's Office, wag namang magtatampo yung mga nakaraan, pero nag-level up po, hindi lang po ang integrity, kundi po ang reputasyon ng Public Attorney's Office. Of course, hindi po nag-iisa si Attorney Acosta po doon, kundi kasama po niya ang lahat ng mga public attorneys at siyempre kayo po na nasa 900 pala yung rank and file na naririto. Hindi po magtatagumpay po itong inyong organization, kundi po sa katulad po ninyo na masasabing tunay na haligi po ng institusyon na to. Kaya binabati ko po kayo ng congratulations po sa inyong lahat. At nagagalak po ako sa pangalan po ng aking kakumbatsero na si Jerry Baha, na kapartner po kami ng Public Attorney's Office sa pagbibigay po ng katarungan sa mga kababayan natin, lalo na po yung pinaka-naaapi sa lipunan. Kung wala po ang Public Attorney's Office, malamang mas marami pa po ang naaapi sa ngayon. Kaya salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ang ganito pong pagkilala, actually ako po ay humihingi na rin ng dispensa sapagkat ng mga nakaraan na meron po kaming ganitong klase ng pagkilala ay hindi po kami nakarating. Subalit lagi at lagi nagpapasalamat po kami na kinikilala po ninyo ang aming nagagawa, hindi man po sa loob ng husgado, hindi man po sa tinatawag na mga legal fora, doon man lang po sa amin pong programa ni Jerry Baha at sa amin pong mga sariling social media accounts ay naipapalagana po natin ang pagbibigay po ng katarungan at katwiran sa ating pong lipunan. Salamat po ng marami sa ganito pong uri ng pagkilala at hindi po namin makakalimutan ito araw-araw. Meron na po akong mga ganito sa aking opisina. Alam nyo, ang aking mga anak na 2 babae, pagka po nakikita nila ito, ay nababanggit ko po sa kanila na talagang ang Lady Justice ay, kung sa pangalan ng GMA 7, ay walang tinititigan, walang kinikilingan, walang pinoprotektahan. Pahiram lang, hindi po amin yon. Sana po ang Public Attorney's Office ay magpatuloy sa inyo pong mabuting hangarin na magpalagana po ng pantay-pantay na pagtingin po sa kanino man, sa mayaman o mahirap, basta ang mangingibabaw po ay ang katarungan para po sa lahat. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay po kayo.
Once again, our awardee for Outstanding Broadcaster, Mr. Anthony Catonying T. Taberna Jr., Broadcast Journalist, Radio Commentator.